Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas.
Today we have an update on IndusInd Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on IndusInd Bank with a price target of Rs 1850. IndusInd Bank reported inline earnings in Q4, led by treasury gains and lower credit cost. The near-term business outlook remains comfortable except for the elevated cost ratios. The ability to manage NIMs in the current environment, along with being a key beneficiary in the interest rate reversal cycle, would keep the sentiment positive. Key focus is on strengthening the liability franchise and delivering sustained healthy growth. Return ratios have reasonable support from lower credit cost at this stage of the cycle. Valuation are attractive given the ROA trajectory and stable outlook. The stock has outperformed the broader indices in last 1 year, and it currently trades at 1.6 times its FY25 and 1.4 times its FY26 core book value estimates. Next we cover Indian hotels. Our analyst maintains buy on Indian hotels with a price target of Rs 679. Indian hotels Q4 performance was largely in line with expectation, with revenues and PAT growing by 17% and 29% year-on-year respectively. EBITDA margin rose by 168 bps year-on-year to 34.6%. Maintained guidance of double-digit top-line growth, with demand expected to stay ahead of supply. New businesses are expected to grow by 25 to 30% in the coming years. Cash on book as on 31st March 24 stood at Rs 2,206 crores. The company has announced capex plan of Rs 2,500 crores towards renovation, new properties and upgradation of technology over the next 3 years. Change in dividend policy with dividend payout of 20 to 40% of profit after tax.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.